Hello, it is so long since I made a YouTube video. To be honest, I have been thinking about whether to carry on with YouTube or not carry on with YouTube. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with YouTube. So I'm going to do it. So today I'm going to film because you guys love cleaning videos on my account anyway. So I'm going to film a sort of blitz the house with me. It's more tidying than cleaning. You know, when your house just gets in that state where it's just little bits here and there everywhere and it's just, ugh. So yeah, that's what mine is like at the moment. So I've got 2 hours before I need to do the school pickup. I've got my youngest at home, but he's quite tired, so he's just lounging on the sofa for a little bit, and I'm going to blitz the house. This is the front room at the moment. I mean, for example, that coat has been hanging up there for probably about a month. There's all sort of bags, yoga bags and stuff stuck in the corner. Lounging child. I mean, just look, there's like a chocolate egg thing there. I've still got coronation bunting up. Yeah, it's just, like I said, it's not much, but it just needs tidying. So. So that's one room down, only 3 million to go, and I've just noticed I haven't even taken that coat down. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's my little boy's reading nook. So I've put all the cushions in there, tidied everything up, tidied the sofas, hoovered all the corners, tidied this dumping ground, and next job is the hallway. So these got delivered today. As you can see, we have a bit of a shoe situation. Stuff piled up on there. Stuff, basically. So yeah, this is next on my list. Is tidy. So we've got hats in that box, cleared all the floor, put all the shoes in this console unit. This is for slippers. So yeah, got sun cream, wipes and stuff, just handy for where we need it. I managed to fit the scooter in here, and then I put the helmet just inside the porch because we use that every day. And there's umbrellas and stuff there. But yeah, it's nice and organised. And the stairs are clear. Put all the coats under the cupboard except for my handbag. Right, so next on my list is the playroom, which actually doesn't look that bad. As you can see, just a few bits kind of here and there that need putting away. Oh, it's just a chore and a half. So this room now looks a lot better. I mean, it's a playroom, so it's never going to be tidy, but at least it's kind of organised now. Actually, I'm going to move that dinosaur and that egg. I also tidied this up, and then yeah, I've got a pile of decorating stuff here which I should move as well. So I'm halfway through the downstairs now. This is the problem with having a big house. This is like the biggest room, the kitchen diner. It's a tip, and I've got half an hour, and I did want to do a bit upstairs, so we'll see how I go. I've got to take some pain because my back is killing me. So yeah, it's just not easy sometimes, is it? I thought I would share that anyway. Right, I'm going to show you the state of this room. So, as you can see, there's all just clutter everywhere. Bits and pieces, stuff on the sofa, there's clutter over there. I have been cooking in the kitchen. We had an egg delivery. Yeah, it's just, I've been making chocolate almonds over there. And yeah, it's just like, okay, my handbag's on the side. Again, clutter, clutter, clutter. I'm done in here, decluttered, giving it a quick wipe over, but like I said, I wasn't planning on cleaning. So yeah, as you can see, it's just more space than the windowsills. There's nothing on the sofa. It's all organised, the counters are clear. Oh, it makes me happy. I think actually I'm going to end this video here because I've got 3 floors. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know. And I can't do any more today. My back is killing me. And it's school run time. So I might do upstairs in another video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave me a comment or a like or something. Because I said I'm a bit like this whole YouTube thing at the moment. So it'd be really great to have your support. Thanks so much. Bye.